Why is liquid-cooled data center chillers important? A liquid-cooled data center water-cooled machine is a device used for liquid cooling and heat dissipation in data centers and servers. It can use liquid-cooled plate heat exchange to cool the internal heat sources of servers, helping servers meet their heat dissipation needs. The data center uses a large amount of electricity, which is converted into heat. The more equipment installed in the computer industry and data facilities, the greater the heat generated. Appropriate liquid-cooled data center water coolers can ensure sufficient cooling and ventilation control for the entire facility to keep the equipment within the required temperature range. Most IT equipment and devices generate heat and require rapid cooling to avoid affecting their performance. Overheating and excessive humidity can damage equipment and cause them to malfunction and stop working. Damaged equipment may pose a risk of fire and other safety issues. Due to more frequent maintenance or replacement of equipment, these risks will increase operating costs.